How to reset any Maytag washing machine. Easy fix. Method 1. Power cycle. Unplug or breaker reset. Step 1. Unplug the washer or turn off circuit breaker. Step 2. Wait 5 minutes. Some suggest 5 mins. Step 3. Plug back in or restore power. Step 4. Select cycle and press. Start to see if it clears. Method 2. Control panel cancel reset. Step 1. Ensure washer is powered on but not running. Step 2. Press pause cancel or start cancel twice. Step 3. Select a wash cycle, then press start to reset controls. Method 3. Dial, mechanical, calibration reset. Step 1. Turn dial to 12 o'clock. Start, normal. Step 2. Rotate counterclockwise to 12, then clockwise 3 clicks to 3 o'clock. Step 3. 1 click forward, 1 click back. Lights should flash. Step 4. Turn counterclockwise 4 clicks until only RINS shows. Step 5. Press start to calibrate reset.